Did you know that with just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a natural magic formula that keeps your Anthuriums lush and blooming all year long? In today's video, I will share a very simple method to care for your Anthuriums. Completely chemical-free, very affordable, yet surprisingly effective. With just a few gentle steps, your plant will grow stronger, with glossy leaves and long-lasting blooms. Let's begin and turn your home into a vibrant, living garden. Now I will do a general check of the Anthurium before moving on to the next care steps. Looking closely, I notice many dry and discolored leaves, and some small stems have wilted. These parts can no longer grow or absorb nutrients, and leaving them will slow down the growth of the healthy parts. They can also become breeding spots for mold and pests, especially in humid conditions. This is a small step but very important, helping the plant stay healthy and ready to absorb the nutrients we are about to give it. After trimming the damaged leaves, I use turmeric powder to treat the cut areas. I sprinkle a thin layer of turmeric powder directly on the cut spots. Turmeric has strong natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It prevents infection, reduces stem rot, and protects the plant's new tissue. This helps the plant heal faster and prevents diseases from spreading to healthy parts. Now, I will use a banana, a very familiar ingredient, but incredibly beneficial for Anthurium plants. I peel the banana, then cut it into small pieces, so the nutrients can dissolve easily into the water. Bananas are rich in potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and natural vitamins that boost root growth, thicken and shine leaves, and promote continuous blooming. It's a wonderful organic nutrient source, completely natural and very safe for indoor plants. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below and let me know. I'm so happy to connect with you from all around the world. Next, I place the chopped banana peels into a clean glass jar. Then, I pour 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar and stir well. Finally, I close the lid and let it steep for 30 minutes so the nutrients from the banana peel can infuse into the water. After soaking the banana peels for 30 minutes, I strain out the residue and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This filtering process removes residue, preventing root blockage or mold growth in the soil, keeping the solution clean, clear, and easy to use. Now I take half a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Then I add the lemon juice to the banana peel solution. Lemon helps fight bacteria, prevent fungus, and boost nutrient absorption. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of honey into the jar. Honey acts as a natural antibacterial, helps stimulate healthy root growth, and keeps the leaves moisturized. Finally, I add 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to balance and gently dilute the mixture. Then, I use a spoon to stir well so all the ingredients blend together completely. The mixture now has a gentle natural fragrance, rich minerals, and is extremely beneficial for anthuriums. Wet the leaves with the banana peel, lemon, and honey solution. I use a clean cotton pad soaked in the prepared mixture, then gently wet the entire surface of the anthurium leaves from top to bottom. When wiping the leaves with this solution, dust and bacteria are removed, allowing the leaves to breathe better, absorb more light, and photosynthesize more efficiently. Banana peel provides natural potassium that thickens and shines the leaves, stimulates chlorophyll formation, and boosts overall plant vitality. Lemon juice has natural antibacterial properties, sanitizing the leaf surface and preventing mold, fungus, and harmful pathogens from developing. Honey forms a natural protective layer, helping retain moisture, soften the leaves, and aid recovery from damage. Regularly wiping the leaves with this solution keeps the plant clean, healthy, and naturally glossy, while encouraging new leaf growth and preparing the plant for blooming. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in many other languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language in the video settings. After cleaning the leaves, I pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle and mist the entire anthurium, including the top and underside of the leaves, the stems, and the growing medium. Misting allows the plant to absorb nutrients quickly and directly through the leaves, as if it's drinking tiny drops of natural botanical essence. Potassium from the banana peel enhances growth energy, makes leaves firm and glossy, and stimulates strong, healthy flower bud formation. Lemon and honey provide antibacterial and antifungal protection, reducing brown spots and mildew in humid conditions. The fine mist settles on the leaves like a plant serum, leaving them soft, glossy, and full of vitality. I repeat this step 2 to 3 times per week, and each time, the plant feels renewed with fresh natural energy. Now I water the solution directly into the Anthuriums soil, allowing each drop to soak deeply into the roots. Minerals from the banana peel help roots grow stronger, thicker, and healthier as they anchor firmly into the soil. Lemon and honey help reduce bacteria and fungi in the potting mix, keeping the root environment clean, fresh, and breathable. After watering, I place the pot into the remaining solution and soak it for about 10 minutes. This is when the roots absorb nutrients most deeply, like giving the plant a supernutrient meal. With enough nutrition, the plant recovers faster, pushes new shoots, develops fresh leaves, and builds energy for blooming. After watering and soaking the roots, I use a clean soft cloth to gently dry the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. Drying the leaves helps prevent water spots and fungal issues, while keeping the foliage shiny, healthy, and photosynthesizing efficiently. This is also a moment to touch each leaf gently, as if giving the plant a little love and calm energy. Finally, I place the plant in soft light with good airflow so the leaves dry naturally and the plant can relax after its nutrient spa. With just banana peel, lemon, and honey, we've helped our Anthurium boost root strength, shine its leaves, and prepare to bloom beautifully. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Love Garden Care, so we can continue spreading love for nature every day. Before you go, let me know which country you're watching from. I'm so happy to connect with plant lovers from all around the world. Drop a comment below. I read every single one of them.